Trump attorney, Alina Habba, joins me now. All right, Alina, you've been there most of the time, right? In court?
Yes.
In this kangaroo court. No one knows what is happening inside.
Yeah.
Can you give us a little color about what it's really like?
So it is actually cold. I agree with the president on that. I didn't know how cold it would be. So, you know, you walk in and it's really actually something surreal. You feel like you're in the twilight zone. Today, I walked in and the first person that caught my eye was everybody from Greg Kelly on the right to George Conway on the left, Kaylin Collins sitting there. And, you know, I appreciate that they all want to act journalistic in those moments. I'm sitting there and I'm looking, but they're snarking and it's a very strange feeling.
So it's like a show trial.
It is.
For the media.
Right.
Except there's no law that's been broken. They haven't even named the crime.
It's unbelievable. And when anything salacious happens, all you hear is the clicking of, you know, the keyboards. But when actual law and facts are discussed, it's silent.
That I expect that. Yeah. That sums it up perfectly. Everyone's looking at Donald Trump. Is he cursing? Is he sleeping? What else can you see when you're inside that room?
The ruin of our justice system, to be honest. You can see everything. I'm obviously sitting in the front row pew behind the team that's doing the case. And you can see everybody. There's a tech team. There's obviously all the people, the commentators that we see on TV sitting there all day watching. It's a very strange thing.
Does the judge seem like he's in control of the courtroom?
He is definitely commanding. You can tell that he is outspoken. You can tell that he has an opinion. In front of a jury, do I think it's appropriate? No. You have a jury. You have to be very careful of how much you interrupt, how much you condemn one side over the other. But I've seen this myself. They don't care. They care about swaying them, and that's one way to sway a jury. Just because you have a jury doesn't mean that the judge doesn't show control and push them towards the right direction.
And the jury's engaged. They're paying attention to the facts.
Sometimes. I think with the last testimony, I saw some giggles, obviously, and I don't want to speak too much about a jury sitting on a trial, but, you know, maybe, I don't know. You know, it fades in back and forth, and it's very difficult to read a jury.
And you don't even know who's testifying tomorrow.
No.
How do you, as a defense attorney, prepare to cross-examine a witness when you don't know who the witness the next day is going to be?
Well, I think that's by design. I think that's by design, and they're masking it with the unconstitutional gag order. They're saying that this is to protect witnesses, but they have no problem when their witnesses speak on TV or their witnesses, as you showed, post. That's not a problem, but it's a problem for President Trump's legal team to even know and prepare for the next witness the next day. Imagine, so you have to prepare for every witness that they give you, a long list at the beginning of the prosecution's table. They give you a long list and you don't know who they're going to call, what they're going to ask about, and you have to be prepared every day for every single witness left on that list.
That's absolute insanity. Not even I could prepare that much. And I'm very well prepared.
Yeah.
As you are too. Alina, thank you so much.
Thank you.